Assalamu alaikum, my name is Mawarda Binti Ismail. Today, I'm going to present about Advanced Multimedia Computing CS729. My title for this project is SketchUp. This is logo for the SketchUp software. For my project, I'm using SketchUp Pro 2019 version. Okay, SketchUp is an online free software that can get the installer from the internet. It also can create the 3D modeling. Moreover, SketchUp is known as CAD software, or we called as computer-aided design. This software is easy to use and fast learning. Other than that, SketchUp is used in teaching 2D and 3D geometry. And also used for creating 3D objects such as scale, models and architecture. The strongest of SketchUp is first, easy to understand. Second, this software can save time. Third, easy to access and use, compared to other 3D software. Fourth is the availability of 3D warehouse. Fifth is user-friendly interface. Lastly is this software also can do the animation. The weakness for SketchUp is first, hard to use for a complex modeling. Second is SketchUp also limited design. Third is SketchUp has less tools, compared to other 3D software such as Maya and Blender. Lastly, this software can easily crash when rendering a lot of patch. Okay, now, we move to history of SketchUp. SketchUp is released by At-Last Software in 2000. After that, Google bought this software in 2006. And then Google released this software to provide a portal which is 3D Warehouse. At the AEC Systems Fall 2000 exhibit hall hosted by Digital Media Net, SketchUp won the award for Best New Products or Services. Moreover, SketchUp has three versions, which is SketchUp Make, SketchUp Pro and SketchUp Free. It also can be export in various format. SketchUp has two groups of features, which is main and basic. So, for the main features of SketchUp is texture, lighting effect, 3D models, 2D models, layer manager and animation. Now for the basic features is shape, orbit, line, offset, move, paint bucket, zoom, zoom extend, pan, rotate, push-pull and scale. My project is about the scenery or the view of house. In this house, it has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and 1 kitchen. So for the main features that I used in my project is texture and 3D model. As for basic features, I use shape, push-pull, scale, line, offsets, orbit, paint bucket, move, zoom, pan and rotate. In main feature of my project, the 3D model is for create an object using shape tools in SketchUp software. For texture image, I use for give texture at floor, bathtub, table, chairs and water fountain. As for texture color, I used at bed, car, toilet bowl, cabinet, television and sofa. This is the steps for create an 3D object. The example is refrigerator. Step 1 is choose a rectangle shape and draw at drawing area. Step 2 is choose push-pull to extrude the rectangle become a 3D model. For the step 3 is choose a scale tool to stretch the 3D object to form into a fridge. Step 4 is after it forms a refrigerator, select the line tool to divide the refrigerator into 2 parts. Step 5 is use offset to make the refrigerator become more realistic. It need to select a selected edges. Step 6 is choose a push-pull to extrude the entities. For the step 7, choose shape and push-pull to create another rectangle shape and extrude until it become a holder. After that combine the refrigerator and the holder to become it one object. For step 8, choose a push-pull and extrude the top of refrigerator. Step 9, group all the shape become one 3D model. Last step is move the 3D object to a proper place. Okay. This is the view of my project. I will explain more at SketchUp software. For this bathtub, I use texture image for the texture. So, to use the texture image, I select the object and use the paint bucket and choose the texture on the materials layer. For the pipe at the bathtub, I select the circle shape and then extrude the shape until it become a pipe. After that, I combine the pipe with the bathtub and form into one object. Now for the stairs at the bathtub, I use texture color. As you guys can see, I choose the brown color. To use the texture color, it is same ways with texture image. Inside the bathtub, I also choose the texture image. At the material layer, I select the water folder and it give me a several type of texture image for water. The ways to create the other 3D objects such as television, beds, table, chairs, water fountain, sofa and so on is the same. That's all from me. Thank you for lending me your ears.